This is the situation currently of the project, and this is before I start. It rained heavily yesterday, and this is what has been happening. So today I'm going to finish this with the support of one brother. I'm going to make it. Yeah. So uh, watch along as I do this to inspire those who are intending to go to into dairy, and how they create or how they make their cow shed. Yeah, this is purposely for those who intend to go to dairy and make a cow shed. So watch along as I do this, and hope you learn one or two things from this. So this is a stripping area, as I already say. Then we have the working area there, and then feeding trough and water will be on the other side. So this is the situation currently, and I'm going to finish this today for the laying the blocks, and then I'm going to by this week it will be over. So don't see if I'm taking time. I'm on track, guys. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is Fred here, and just an update on my cow shed construction. I'm done with the foundation. What's remaining is to flatten the place, and then I put some stones. I'm not going to use concrete because this is not permanent. Yeah, if it is permanent, I would have used concrete, but because it is a temporary thing, I'm building there down a bigger shed. But for now, this is just for a temporary shed. So why am I doing all this? I'm doing all this. I want to encourage someone who is willing to start a dairy farm. You can start from scratch with nothing, totally nothing. Yeah, all you need is just a matter of you need small capital. Yeah, so this is a good shed. Yeah, I don't have to buy the irons. Yeah, the metals. Yeah, but I just want to start small and to encourage someone out there who is wondering, how can I construct this, how can I do this. Yeah, so this is for you. I have already done this, and a big shout out to one subscriber who volunteered to support my construction here. This is a small project, but he, and I'm so grateful. I never thought in the world you could find good people like that gentleman. I'm so thankful for you. Why not? Why not? I thank you so much. I thank you from deep inside my heart. I know what I feel. Yeah, it's because of you that the shed, the foundation is done. Yeah, I ordered some cement, some dust, some sand in tons, and then I'm done now. Yeah, so I want to give you a good. I just want to thank you. Yeah, and know that you did something good. So I'm done with this, and I just want to thank you all, guys. Yeah, for all the subscribers, for all those who have been viewing my videos. I just want to encourage you. I just want to touch someone out there. Yeah, that dairy farming is doable. Dairy farming doesn't need so much science that has been going around. Yeah, you just need dedication, consistency, yeah, and passion for dairy farming. I know I can make it. I will make it. If I did this from scratch, guys, you too can do it. There is no difference between me and you. Yeah, maybe you will be having a lot of capital, but you don't know how to spend it. Just venture into dairy, venture into animal keeping. It will give you triple. Yeah, but you must have passion for that. So I want to thank you guys. Let me walk you around and show you what I have been doing today, and enjoy the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do, and let's grow this channel. Let's make this community a community of dairy farmers. So thank you for your time, and consider subscribing to the channel. Like, share, and comment. Ask any question that you would like to ask. and I'll gladly answer it. And hoping to see you soon in different series of the videos that I'll be doing. And I hope that we will keep in touch. We will keep sharing more knowledge, shedding more light when it comes to dairy farming. So thank you and watch around. Yeah, this is the end result, guys. I'm done with the foundation. Now what's remaining is just flattening the area, putting some stones, building some, putting iron sheets, some poles, and I'll be done. And I'll be showing you all that. So for the foundation, as you can see, guys, it's done. I'm so relieved that this has been done. I started this work uh, at 8 a.m. and now is 3:30, and I'm done. Yeah. So guys, have believe in yourself, start something small, start a project and see it through. Once you see it through, God will reveal himself to you, and anything is possible. Anything is possible, guys. Yeah. Start small. Yeah. This is my shed. I dreamt of building. I said, let me stop saying, let me start acting. Yeah. And in that process, I started a project. Yeah. A good friend of mine, a good subscriber, decided to support me, and he sent me some money. Yeah. That I bought the cement, I added some sand. I have so much sand there left. So this is what I've been doing today, guys, and I just want to thank you. Yeah. I want to thank you because my cows now will be on a safer place. So I just want to thank you for all that, for keeping in touch, for watching my channel, for watching my videos. If it were not for you, I wouldn't be uploading videos. So I'll keep you uploading, and I will keep uploading more educative, informative content that anybody who doesn't have any knowledge of dairy farming will get all the knowledge needed. So that is it for today, guys, and thank you all, a big thank you, and hoping to see you soon. Thank you. Have a nice time.